my name is Kerrigan Norris, and this is my presentation on pineapple mealybug wilt-associated virus. To begin with, I'll kind of start with what is this piece of art here. So I've always been interested in both art and science, and since it's my last semester in NC State, in addition to this course, I'm taking a biological illustration course. Biological illustrations simply try to do very similar to what this project is. They like to take a scientific idea or concern, like a disease, and illustrate it in a way that is interesting to the public, not just scientists or researchers. And so to begin with, you simply look at a specimen or even pictures of a specimen, and you do a graphite drawing on paper, and I've done it here on this mixed media paper. Once that's completed, you're happy with your graphite drawing, you do a just pen and ink over, as I've done here, add stippling for kind of contrast and depth. And once the kind of pen and ink's done, I've gone over and added both chalk and watercolor paint. This was particularly important for this illustration because one of the main symptoms of pineapple mealybug wilt is the discoloration of the leaves. The leaves often have a reddish or pinkish hue, which I've kind of made very dramatic in this to really catch the viewer's eye. Other symptoms include dieback, wilted leaves, and the most economically important symptom is that of undeveloped fruit. Fruit with infected plants can be as much as 50% smaller than that of a healthy plant. And the disease is found all over the world. It's found in Asia, South America, but it's most importantly found in Hawaii. This is something that really affects the US, and it's quite prevalent there. The disease is spread through, as the name suggests, mealybugs found in the genus Dismuscoccus. Mealybugs essentially bite the plants, feed on them, and they infect them with the virus. And so really the way to prevent it is to first recognize the symptoms, get rid of diseased plants, keep diseased material away from healthy plants. Another suggestion was to try to space plants as much as possible. This helps slow the progression of the disease when it is prevalent. And the most important, really, prevention is controlling mealybug populations. One way to do this is actually to control ant populations. Ants and mealybugs have a symbiotic relationship in which the ant protects the mealybug from predators such as ladybug beetles and other insects that would naturally feed on them. And in return, the mealybugs give the ants a honeydew nectar that they like to eat. So this is kind of the greatest suggestion in controlling the disease. But yes, and so this concludes my presentation.